Hello and welcome to Caravan Escapades. I hope everybody's keeping safe and well. This vlog is a revisit of a vlog I did probably about 3 or 4 years ago about awning rail protectors and fitting and using awning rail protectors. So let's jump straight in. So those of you that don't know, awning rail protectors, and I'll show you in a minute, is basically a piece of plastic with a lip on that fits all the way down in your awning rail. Now it has two purposes. The first purpose is to stop your awning rail getting dirty and clogged up with cobwebs and spiders and grit and dirt and all that sort of thing, making it difficult to put an awning rail in. The other thing, because of the flap the awning rail protector has, it helps to stop black streaks on the side of the caravan. So what it does, as it kind of comes out the end, where the water would normally just dribble over and run straight down the caravan, what it does, it dribbles over, runs across the flap and then drips straight onto the floor. So let's get ahead with fitting one. But what you want to do before you fit them is you want to clean out your awning rail. And you want to use something like this, which is an awning rail brush. I'll put a link to these down below. You can buy these from Amazon and that sort of thing. And what you do is very much like this. You slide it in. Let's go down the bottom bit first. You slide it in your awning rail like that. And you basically clean all the way along. I'm going to keep moving this stuff along here. So giving it a good old scrub backwards and forwards, just moving any dirt and stuff that's get stuck in there, just like so. And then we come to the back corner and we do the same again. Follow it all the way down, like so. And then, in fact, that's got quite a bit of dirt, dust, rubbish on the end of it. Some of it's already fallen through, but again, whether you can see on the end there, all the bits of dirt. Let me stand out with it focusing on that. All the bits of dirt and stuff that has picked up. So we'll get rid of that. Now the other thing to do, particularly before fitting your awning rail protector and also before using your awning, is actually use a silicone based lubricant. Now I've got some of this, it's called dry lube, but any silicone based lubricant will work. So super slip silicone lubricant for home, garden and workshop, and this is ideal for sticking down your awning rail. It's also ideal for treating things like your window seals, your toilet seals and those sorts of stuff. And all you really need to do, it's got a little pointy bit there on the end, can you see that? There we go. And what you really just need to do is, and I'm taking a cloth just to try and catch some of it as well, give it a bit of a shake. So just squirt into the awning rail, like so. So just move this along. I'm just literally wiping it so that we don't get silicone spray running down the side of the caravan. And this is just going to help with the various different things sliding in, whether it's awning rail protector or awnings, although generally you wouldn't stick an awning on this side of your caravan, although you might if you're away on a French or European pitch and you want to stick extra things or create extra storage space, or what we've done in the past as well, when we've had the old caravan store canopy, we stored it on this side of the caravan and we weren't using it. So that's the silicone spray put in there. Now let's get, so what we have here now, this is from Maypole, this is the awning rail protector. I picked this up at the recent NEC Caravan and Motorhome show, or Motorhome Caravan show, Camping Caravan, Motorhome show, whatever you want to call it. Now, they're usually 2 pieces within here. What you want to do is try not to drag this on the floor. Easier said than done sometimes, primarily because it's a little difficult to use. Well, not difficult to use, sorry, but because it's so long and big. Now, this is what I mean by the flap. I think you can see that profile there, look. So that's the bit that goes in the channel, and then this bit sticks out of the awning rail. And then if it's raining, so what happens is the rain kind of hits, runs off the caravan, and then drips down rather than dripping down the side of the caravan. Now, what I'm going to do, just bear with me, I'll be straight back. Okay, I'm back. So what I'm going to do is just, I've got an old storage box here, that sort of thing. I'm just going to literally put the awning rail protector in here in the hope that it doesn't drag on the floor. Now, the awning rail protectors come, in fact, does it say on here what length it is? Let's see if it says anything on here. So it says here 12 metres provided. Now, is that, so yeah, so it says 12 metres on there. Is that 12 metres in total? I think it probably is, actually. I think this is probably just one length, and it needs cutting to size. So I'm going to slide it in from the top bit here. There we go, slide that in. And you can see how easy that's going in now. There we go. It's getting a little bit twisted. Let's just untwist this, which will help out a little bit. Now, let's got to the end, so I'm just going to go up the other end here and give it a little bit of a pull. Now, you've got to decide how much of the awning rail protector you need. For us, what I need, because I'm going to have the towing cover on as well, and the towing cover, as you know, is quite a high level towing cover. That comes to about here. So I'm going to do this so that I can use it with the towing cover. And most people actually just have a strip that runs along the top. So if I pull this back a bit, pull it forward a little bit, and then if I cut it about there, like so, try and make that a neater cut than it is. And then what I'm going to do is pull this down from the back. There we go. So I can have it in there like that. And then when I've got the towing cover on, I can pull it all the way back, drop it down like this. It still can use it with the towing cover, and I've still got some protection there as well. So let me put that back. So I'm going to leave that about there. That's that side done. Why don't we head over to the other side and we'll do that one as well. So I'll probably just let this one do on fast forward, but again, there's a cleaning brush. I'm going to start off by cleaning the awning rail. So same as before, let's start sliding in the awning rail protector. So that's the awning rail protector. I've got a bit more on this side than I have on that side, but that's not too much of an issue. I can either trim that one down or leave it as it is. This is the side with the awning rail protector. It's going to come out more often than not when I put an awning on, whether it be the canopy, porch awning, main awning, that sort of stuff. This will be the one that I'm taking off, and that one I will leave on. So yeah. So I'll put a link to the awning rail protector down below, and the dry lube and the awning rail cleaning brush. This one, the Maypole one, comes in one 12-metre length. What I have had before is I bought it and it got 2 lengths and then you cut it down. So maybe what I should have done with this one is this 12-metre length, just cut it in half at 6 metres, and I had equal 6 metres either side. But anyway, that doesn't matter. So I hope you found that useful. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell and you'll be notified when we put out more vlogs.